Welcome to the Futronic Test Box series. In this video we will look at how you can make a NAVTEX test. We will start by making the right setup for the test as described in the user manual. Be sure to connect the wire antenna supplied with the test box to RF out. In the send mode, select frequency and press OK. Select message to send a pair of messages, a navigational warning, and a SAR message. Use the arrows to navigate the menu tree and put in the right information. The transmission process may take a few minutes before displaying. The message will be shown on the NAVTEX receiver display. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Danphone for more information concerning the Futronic Test Box and more.